Okay, we've all been there. You finished your project, whether it be an art project, woodworking project, my case tends to be 3D printing projects, and there's just this like teeny corner where it's just not smooth, it's just not right, but you don't want to ruin the whole surrounding surface. So today we're going to give this micro sanding kit a shot and see if I can get in there, clean this thing up, make it look really good with precision, right? Because that's what we really want. Let's quickly open this thing up, take a look at it. Wow, I know it said it came with 54 pieces, but 54 pieces when you look at it is much more than what I thought. This is the sander itself and what it looks like. It's really nicely contoured to your hand, has Velcro on the back. Here is what 54 pieces of sandpaper look like. And we're going everything from an 80 grit, something really coarse, 220, 400, 800 grit. You got the whole range right here. This is my current project. It's a protective case for a GoPro. And the way a 3D printer works, it prints all this, they're called supports here, and you just kind of snap them off. But then it leaves like a really rough area, which I don't like. I want that to be smooth. So let's see if we can fix that. Okay, so here's what my GoPro case looks like without all those supports. But you can see all these edges are super rough. So let's see if we could finish them a little bit. Let's first try the basic 100 grit paper. Just slaps on like that. That's super cool. Oh, this is like exactly what it's supposed to be. Look at that. Can even round off these edges a little bit here. Oh, that's so much nicer. All right, let's do quick like finishing style. Let's bump it up to the 220. So easy, just swap it on there like that. Press it on. This is like so cool. Done. That's ridiculously cool. Look how nice my little thing looks. I'm an artiste. Anyway, let's finish up this conversation. All right, this project went ridiculously well. This is exactly what it's supposed to be. It is comfortable, it works well, comes with a ton of supplies. You can't possibly go wrong with this. There's a link both here on the screen and down below, whichever one. They both work the same way for you. If I've added some value, please like the video, follow the channel. If you have questions about this, 3D printing, or pottery, which my wife is going to use this for pottery, throw them down there in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.